Yo, what is going on? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching this video from. Back out again. Just want to say thank you to everyone who's liked, subscribed, and shared to my videos on back in time metal detecting. Come over on this bit of land again. Love this bit. So yeah, hopefully I'm only going to be out for a little bit, but hopefully we can find some goodies, and I shall see you at the first hole. Love it. Come on, let's see what we can find today. First target, 24-25. Let's give it a go. Right, let's get that old pinpointer out, shall we? Maybe it's a bit deeper than that. Was actually saying full depth on that, actually. I didn't read it. Right, we're out. What's this? Here we go. First hole. My best find ever. There's a button. Looks like a button. 100% a button. First hole, a button. Shame it weren't a coin, but yeah. On to the next. We got a jumpy one, 10-13. Full depth, it's saying. Yeah, this ground is boggy. God, what's happening with that? Did you hear that metal detector? Don't sound right. Let's dig a bit more out of this. Look at this pinpointer in there. Here we go. What's this? A little bit of iron. Probably horse related. But yeah. On to the next. Right, just dug this one up. It's just going to be a bit of foil. Yep. A little bit of foil. Never mind. Let's go on to the next. Next hole, we got a 14-15. Another one, full depth. Oh, what's that in there? Oh, it looks like a coinage. It is. No, it's not. Bloody button again. Big one. Yeah, button. Never mind. It's got the shank still on it, look. Still got the shank on it. That's a big one. Oh, I thought that was a coin then. Never mind. Hey, I'm sure we'll find one today. So yeah, on to the next. Right, next one. Got a lovely signal here. Got a straight 22, 23. Let's give it a go. Might be a coin. But possibility that it might be a bit of lead. But don't matter. We've got to get through it all to get to the best bits. You know how it is. We'll see. Lovely still. Might be in that wall there. Let's grab it out. Let's have a little more dig. A little bit of dig. Might be out in that scoop. No, still in there. It's there. Looks like a bit of lead. What's this? Oh, it's one of them ones. I know exactly what that is. Do you know what this is? I'm sure they used to use these in their palms. I can't remember what they're called. But they used to put them in their palms. There should be a little dimple in there as well. If someone could leave a comment below, because I forgot what they were called. Someone told me what they were called the other day because they found one. I can't remember for the life of me. But yeah, that sat in the palm, and when they used to work on stuff, it didn't damage their hand. Correct me if I'm wrong though, please. But I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I can't remember what it was called, but yeah, if you'd like to leave a comment, please do. Thank you. And I'll see you on the next hole. Right, next one. Got a 26 to 29. Give it a go. I still can't remember what that last find was. Pretty sure someone will tell me. It will come to me when I get back. But I've had a few of them. Well, that didn't come up very well, did it? Let's go. 29.30. Might have to dig a bit more out of that. Let's give it a little bit more. I think it's going to be a bit of lead again. No, we're out. There we are. Yeah, it's a coin. We got a coin, baby. Bit toasted. Ain't gonna get no idea of that, I don't think. Nah, it's very toasted. Very toasted. I can just see a bust on there. It looks like it's looking, hang on, bear with me. Looks like it's looking to the right, this way. Yeah, can't get no writing of it. So yeah, we got a coin. Very toasted indeed. Never mind, eh? So yeah, bit of coinage. I see a bald head. So what's that gonna be? Is that a William facing to the right? Or it could, it's definitely a penny, 100% a penny. But if someone could leave a comment below, that'd be sweet. And I'll see you on the next hole. Right, next target. I've already dug it. Right, let's just take a little bit out of that. Should be in that clump there. I'm hoping. It should be. Nice nights here. Get these a lot. These little ones. Always get them. They could have been used for anything, them. Multiple uses they used that for. It's a little ring. Nothing on it, just a simple ring. There's nothing on it. But yeah, on to the next. Right, next target. Dug it already. Like I say, I'm only coming out for a couple of hours, so. Oh look, what did I just say? And I'm just going to prove this to you as well. You always find these, and I'm going to get my pot out again. This was my last hole, this one. And now I've got another one. So yeah, they're everywhere. Like I said, I don't know what they were used for. This one's a little bit thinner than the other one. But yeah, you always find them. So, yeah, we've got some horses over here, look. Lovely building that is. Lovely bit of land as well. Lucky to have this. Very lucky. But I'll see you on the next hole, and hopefully the next one will be, hopefully, a bit of coinage. Right, next target. Got a 1920. Oh, it's so boggy on this bit. You might hear it. Very wet. It's all fun and games, isn't it? Still in the hole. Might be out now. It's gone a bit quiet. Let's get that pinpointer in there and have a look. Here we go. Bit of old rolled up lead. Yeah, bit of old lead. Never mind. That was coming up all right, and then it just faded out a little bit towards the end. I don't know whether it's because the ground's so saturated, but yeah. See you on the next hole. Right, next hole. Got 2021. 3 deep. Yeah, I think this is too wet here. I am getting a few false readings as well. We'll keep going. I'll head up further. There is a fishing lake there. So I think we have had quite a little bit of rain. But we'll see. So, well, it's not. It's in that sidewall. Just point that down a bit so you can see. Oh, this looks like a nice find. What is that? Some sort of horse brass or something. Lovely that. That is beautiful. Lovely that. It's got to be some sort of horse brass, isn't it? Gonna have to give a little clean up on that because I don't know, it's coming beautiful. Weird. Love these weird relics, if that's what you want to call it, a relic. But yeah, look at that. Unreal. Love that. It's got some pattern on it as well. I'll get a little, I'll clean it up when I get back, and I'll get some pictures up. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That is. You got the 2 mounts on here. Oh, I love that. I actually do like that. Fantastic. Yeah, I'll get some pictures up of that, guys, so you can see it properly. So yeah, I'll see you on the next hole. Next target. Got a 15 to 17. Getting closer to the building now. So I got closer to this building the other day. I found quite a few coins. The closer you get. So this might be one. It could be a bit of lead. Oh, this metal detector is going absolutely insane. So we're out. This clump. So it's just a bit of old scrap. There's a bit of lead again. Weird shape. Looks like it would have another point on there as well. Must have been used for something. You can tell it's been cut here and here. That bit don't really look like it's been cut, but yeah, in the pot it goes, and yeah, on to the next. Right, got a 26 here. This ground's very boggy. I think it's making I don't know whether it can do that, but make the metal detector go a bit crazy. Might have to move around the corner, but this was giving a lovely signal. We're out. Hopefully it's something good. We're out here. Here we go, look. We've got here. Nice buckle. That's nice. Lovely little buckle there. Now I think this ground's very wet. It's giving me like a few false readings as well. I've not shown you everything, but there we go. Nice buckle, and yeah, in the pot it goes, and I'll see you at the next. Right, so I've got another target. I've already dug it. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, look, we got a bullet. Lovely bullet. Nice. Ain't had one of these in a while. Yeah, I'm chuffed with that. Happy days. First one on there anyway. Lovely jubbly. Nice. I'll see you on the next one. Right. Got a 23, 28. Not very deep. Should just be on the surface, that. We'll dig right down. Hopefully we can get it in that old plug. It's in the plug. I think I might see it already. That might be that. We'll see. No, it can't be that. See, where is it? What's this? What was that? It's got to be from the horses, isn't it? Came up nice as well, that did. Excuse me. Never mind. On to the next. Right, next one. Got a 15, 16. Three deep. Oh, I just hit something then. Yeah, I'm on something there. Probably a bit of iron or something. We'll see. Definitely something hard in there. Not, well, it's just stones. Bit of lead. Another bit of lead. Yeah, bit of lead. Like I said in another one, they're always weird shapes. Always weird shapes. Never mind. Alright, I'll see you at the next one. Right, next one. It's in this plug somewhere. What's this? Don't know what that is. Really don't know what that is. I reckon it's old. It's got like a little hole that goes through the centre of it, like it would turn. Really don't know. If anyone could drop me a comment on what they reckon that is. I'll put some pictures up. But it's got some kind of pattern into it. Like I said, I'll get some photos up at the end and I'll stick them up. Yeah, I can see it looks like it's got a little bit of writing on it. It looks like it says 28 on it. But yeah, I'll get some pictures up and yeah. Moving on to the next. Right. Got 1112 here. Sure that's in hammer territory. Pretty sure that's hammer territory. Come on, baby. Not that deep either. But we're right by the building now, so this is where I had all the coins the other day. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it's something nice. And we're out. Come on, be nice coin. I keep forgetting to bring my little handheld digger with me. And I can break this up rather than just using this. I'm gonna have to chop it in half. Someone had a go at me the other day for doing this. Because I could be damaging stuff. Yes, in this clump. Well, cool. Can you imagine that? I chopped a hammered coin in half. That'd be terrible, wouldn't it? Well, at least I'll be able to say that I got to cut off. Doubt it on that though. Oh, look at that! Look, I've got a ring. I've got a tiny little ring. No way! Look. Yes, baby! I don't know whether it's got any oil marks in it and that. Might just be a little bit of costume jewellery. Oh, look at that. Yeah! Oh, I'm chuffed with that. Hang on, let me just get my eyeballs on it. No, I don't think it's anything of value. Yeah, I don't know. Hang on, I do see something. Oh, I see something. I see an 18 in there. I actually see an 18. I'm going to have to get some pictures up. What do I see? I think in there, right there. I don't know, you won't be able to see it. I've not got my macro lens on. But I think it says JK. I think it might say UK 18. Oh, yes, it's definitely got 18 written in there, but maybe that rim might be gold. Looks gold, doesn't it? Is it a gold ring, baby? Wow, I don't know. It definitely don't fit me. But you know what? I'm going to keep it on there just for now. I'm going to have a right old good clean up of that. Oh, I'm chuffed with that. Actually chuffed with that. But it might be just a little bit of costume jewellery, but I can definitely see 18. There ain't no other hallmarks on it. Might say JH18. So if anyone knows, drop us a comment below, yeah? But it's got all little diamonds on it. It's a bit dirty, but yeah. Wicked. I'll see you at the next hole. Chuff with that. Right, next target. After that ring. Got a jumpy 912. Let's see what it is. I'm chuffed with that ring. I'm sure it said on it JH18. I don't know whether that means anything. It didn't have like a proper hallmark on it, so it might just be a little bit of costume jewelry. But why would it say 18 on it? I don't know. Maybe someone could tell me. Drop a comment. I'll do a little bit of research on it when I get back. But let me dig a bit more of that out. But yeah, I'm chuffed with that. Do you know what? I know someone who would like that. Actually know someone who would like that. Little Valentine's gift, isn't it? I don't know. It's in this wall here. Yeah, I was too far over. Might be in this clump. This shovel's really hurting my foot. Really hurting my foot. I need to get a better one. Oh, here it is. Right, just a bit of old toot. What's that? Bit of old junk. Don't want junk, we want the goodies. Don't know what that is. Some sort of wrapper on it. Little bit of foil. Never mind. Right. Next target. Got an 1819. See that ring I found right next to that building. But I'm hoping it's something, I don't know. To me it don't look old. Really don't look old. Don't look old at all. But you never know. Probably just a bit of what's it called? Cosmetic jewellery. Well, I'm out. Come on, I just want a nice coin. Something that's got a bit of writing on it. Not like that first one or what we had. It's going to be a bit of lead again, isn't it? That ain't it. What's this? Bit of old toot. That is another bit of bloody lead. So much lead on here. Yep. Never mind. There's always another hole to be dug. Hopefully a better find. So yeah, I'll see. Yeah, just dug this one, guys. Shotgun cap. Yep, shotgun cap. Never mind. Right, next target. Got a lovely 21-22. I'm hoping this is going to be a coin, because if it is, I'm going to make this my last hole. Hopefully it is. If it ain't, then we'll do a few more, and then we'll get out of here. Starting to get dark now. See the old sun setting. Right, we're out. Come on, baby. Give me that beautiful coin. I don't even care what coin it is. Bust that open. Let's just move this down a bit. Oh, I think I just called it, innit? I'm hoping I did. I'm hoping it's not a button, but what is this? Fucking hell. Do you know what it is? It's one of them old tree tags. Probably from that bloody tree there. When I saw that way then, and I saw the edge, I was thinking, oh, it's a bit too big to be a hammer coin. Well, it looks like a coin, isn't it? It's that same shape. Never mind. Yeah, it's an old, it's got 257 on it. So it's probably off, actually is probably off of this tree here. It's probably come off. They normally tag them up, don't they? Like that. You'll probably see them in the forests and stuff. But these trees are protected and stuff, innit? So, yeah, it's probably off of there. Never mind. I'll do a couple more rolls and then I'm going to get out of here. Because my foot's hurting now. That shovel is not good. So I need to get a new one. I'll get one. I'm gonna have a look online when I get back. And if anyone could recommend one, I think Angela Hall mentioned one. I'll have to run back through the comments again. She commented on her last video. Can't remember the name of it now. I've got a bad memory. So yeah, I'll see you in the next hole. Boop. Right, next target. 12-13. We're going there. See, I'm still trying to recognise these target IDs. I think I'm kind of getting there with it in my brain, but I don't know. I might have a look at seeing if I can try and get a new program sorted out, because I'm running on field 1, pretty much the standard settings, but just a couple of little things are different. But it's a bit of lead. What's this? Surely that ain't it. That's a bloody stone. No. Getting a bit dark now. Where's it gone? In this clump. What is it? Do you know, I've had a couple of these already today. shotgun caps. Never mind. These are probably old still, you know. They probably used to shoot back in here up in the day. Look, there's the building. When it gets proper dark, lovely. It's all lit up, got spotlights all on it. Absolutely lovely. But so old, that building. But yeah, they probably used to do a bit of shooting here back in the day. I don't know whether the camera's looking good now because it's getting dark. I've changed all the settings. It don't look that great. Yeah, I'm gonna do one more hole and then I'm gonna wrap it up for the evening. So I'll see you at the next hole, the last. Right, hang on, I'm gonna turn this on a little bit. Right. Got probably the highest number I've had today actually. 31, 32. Full depth. Come on, give me something nice for my last hole. But it's going to be a bit of lead. I can just feel it. Hope you can see this. There's coming up. Can you see that on there? Let me just notch it down one. 32. You probably ain't gonna see this now though. I think I see it. Oh, come on. Oh, please don't have a hole in it. At first, I thought that was one of them bloody rings again. I think it is. It's a coin. I'm guessing a cartwheel penny. It's... No, I don't think it is. Do you know what? Actually might be. Oh, I can't even put this torch on. Yes, this is my last hole. I said that this was going to be... I think it is. Right, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to flick my torch on, innit? So I'll come back to you. 2 secs. Right, so I've got it. I don't even think you're going to be able to see that. Is that George? See that? I'm going to get some photos of this. I can't pull a date off it yet. Hang on, I think I can. I think that is a cartwheel penny. It's big enough for one, ain't it? George III. Yep, George III. I can just see the 3 right up here. There's Britannia. Let's just see if I can get a date on it. It's a bit toasted on the date. But yeah, excuse my hands. Beautiful, isn't it? But yes, I got my last hole was a coin. Chuff with that. I can just see a 2 on the end of that actually. What would that be? 1862. I'm not going to get that proper cleaned up. It's just a bit toasted. But yeah, I'm chuffed with that. I think I've only had, this is probably my second one of these. So, yeah. Wicked. I'm chuffed with that. So, yeah, this is going to be my last hole. You'll see me in the outro in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Today's not been a bad day. I'm not grumbling, really not grumbling. Had some few good finds. I've not recorded everything because you don't want to watch a whole video full of junk. But yeah, I've had a brilliant day. I've had a few good finds. I've had the buckle. I've had that old toasted coin. I don't think I'm going to ever get a date off of that or find it, but I'm pretty sure it's a George III. One halfpenny. What else did I have? I had that weird little horse brass thing as well. That's weird. I've never seen something like that before, but I'm going to get some photos up of it. And so you can all see. And yeah, oh yeah, I had the ring as well, didn't I? I know someone who's going to actually love that, so they're going to be happy with that. And I said, as I was coming through doing the video, yeah, and I was going around, I was like, right, I've got to find another coin. I've got to find another coin. And I said, when I find that coin, that's going to be my last hole. And I've made that my last hole, and it was that George III. I'm sure it is a cartwheel penny, but yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Chuffed to bits. But the geezer on it looks like a Roman. He looks Roman. It ain't though, but that's how he looks. Like he's got that head. He's got like the feathers going around his head. I don't know. But yeah, I've had a wicked day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go and head over to my channel, Back in Time Metal Detecting. Make sure you go and like, subscribe, share. I've also got the Facebook channel. Make sure if you would like to go over and head over to that too. That link will be right in this bottom corner here. Yeah, so I had a brilliant day. Like, share, subscribe. Check me out again. Look at that view, look. Lovely, the sun's just going down. I'm gonna get back, get this video edited, put it up, upload it, and yeah, hope you all enjoy it, and I shall see you on the next dig.